Tina, get up, let's go.
Where are you going to come?
I don't know.
Like I was just listening to.
Yeah.
Get your foot off me. That's so gross, Brandon, please.
It's the stinky foot massage. Everybody's doing it. It's supposed to be.
Get off.
Hey, Tina.
I don't want to go with you.
Tina, look at me.
I don't want to go with you.
Yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the lower stinky back foot massage. Oh.
Stop.